Good day everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we're making mango pudding. Smooth, silky, delicate, and bursting with real mango flavor. But before we dive in, here's a quick fun fact. Did you know mangoes are considered the king of fruits in many parts of the world? They've been cultivated for over 4,000 years and are believed to have originated from South Asia. Please refer to the video description for the full list of ingredients. You need 1 or 2 fresh and ripe mangoes, peeled and cut into small pieces. Next, use a handheld blender to puree the mango pieces into a sauce. We will need approximately 200 grams of mango puree. Mangoes are not just tasty, they're also packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, great for your skin and immune system. Now, fill a pot with 400 milliliters of water and bring it to a boil and add 105 grams of sugar, about 9 tablespoons, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 200 grams of mango puree. Stir until the water and mango puree are blended together. Next, use a fine strainer to filter out the mango strands. This step is important. It ensures we have a smooth and silky mango pudding later. Now, pour the filtered mango puree back into a clean pot on low heat. In a measuring cup, add 300 milliliters of hot water and 3 packages of gelatin powder, about 21 grams total. Mix thoroughly until all the gelatin powder has dissolved in the hot water. Next, pour this mixture into the pot with the mango puree and give it a good stir. Open a can of coconut cream, stir it well, and measure out 250 milliliters to add into the pot. If the coconut milk isn't your thing, feel free to use heavy cream or whipping cream instead. Coconut cream is widely used in Southeast Asia desserts, giving them that signature tropical aroma. Combined with mango, it's basically a vacation in a cup. Stir until the coconut cream has dissolved into the mango puree mixture. Next, add 200 ml of the 2% milk and stir the mixture until everything has dissolved and is well incorporated. Turn off the heat and remove from the stove. When it has cooled down slightly, pour the mango pudding mixture into a serving bowls or cups and place them in the fridge to chill for a few hours or until cold. You can enjoy it as is or level it up by topping with fresh mango chunks and coconut cream or whipped cream for extra flavor and flair. And there you have it, mango pudding. Cool, fresh, and delicious. Such a wonderful treat for all ages to enjoy. This dessert is one everyone refuses to say no to. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to more tasty treats and fun facts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.